Hello everyone. So for today we have to unbox this Nutricook. So basically the features are you can put any side of any food inside, for example rice or eggs or meat, and it will cook at very fast speed because it's kind of pressurized air, that is, so the air will not go up and the food will cook much sooner. So this one usually when you buy these kind of things you want to see at how many watts. So this one is 1000 watts and 6 liters is the capacity, and what kind of food you can prepare you can see here. Hopefully by the end of this video you will see some kind of receipts how to cook it here. You can see here all what comes in the box. So we will get this cooker base, then you have the stainless steel cooking pot, this one, then the steam rack, this one, spoons here, rice pedal, measuring cup, sealing ring, silicone gloves, so gloves like here, glass lid, and user instructions. So it's really good. And here are some of the options how fast. It says 70% faster than making it the usual way, and like the smells will not be all over in your room, they will stay inside. So yeah, let's quickly see it, how it looks, and let's see how you prepare later on some food with this cooker. So at the beginning up you will have instruction manual, and we will see some of them. One is on Arabic because I'm here in UAE. One is on English, so we will go through this one and see what kind of things you need to take care when dealing with this thing, because this is not straightforward thing. It can be dangerous if you don't know how to use it, how to handle it. So let's see. So here at the top we got this handle for for this stainless steel. Here it's this cover. Actually I think the handle is for this one. We will put it later on. Yeah, it's for this one. So this comes at the top. Then you will get the cooker itself. So currently it's locked. We will remove this protective layer. And you can see here basically you get some options directly for soup, for meat, for egg. You can just click and then it will be pre-installed the settings for that food. Inside the box there is nothing else, so let me try to open it like this here. So basically you have this push here, push to open. You need to press that one. Okay, let me remove this one. So basically push and then you can unlock it. So you can see how it is. The steam will go here and this release is here. And then inside, what else we got? All these things which I mentioned before. So I think this is like some gloves. This is some seal ring. All the things that we mentioned there already. And this stainless steel pot. You can see it comes inside. So here is basically where you will prepare the food. This thing you will never put here directly, but like you put it here, and then the only thing you can wash is this one. This no need to wash, just be careful. You can see how it is basically inside. So once you click it here, it will start heating. Basically the whole thing down is heater, and you can basically choose what kind of food you want to prepare. So let's go and see basically what kind of food you can prepare now there. So now we will do initial test run. So we plugged in the power here, and you get like this cup. This is for condensation collector. It comes here, and you put it until it clicks like this all the way to the end, and then the condensation will come here. It will be collected in this one, and you can easily remove it and clean it if you like. So for the initial test run you can put 750 milliliters of water in this cup. So this one should always be dry, and never put directly food here. It should always be in this cup. So we put the water here. Now you put this cup here like this, And now this one, you have this like venting, and so this is like sealing and venting. So venting is when you want to press the release down. So when you initially cook, you want to put it into sealing. So you put it like this, and then you put like this until it clicks. So you see now when it clicks, it's locked, like I cannot open it. So you saw before, to open it you need to press this one, push to open, and then you can open, and like this. But so when you cook food and you want to open, if you see it's tight, please don't open. It means it's under pressure. So then you need to do this venting. But of course you never do it like with the bare hands, otherwise you will get serious burns here, because the evaporation will go here. So you put some kind of I don't know, additional cloth or something, and very carefully move this one slowly so it can be released here. So for the first initial test run, we just put water, and now you will see the next steps. So once you plug it into the power, you can start working this initial test run. If you want, there is a protective layer here, if you see. So somebody likes to keep it like if his hands are dirty. I mean, I can remove it, so maybe you can clean. After you do this, you can clean so it looks better. So for this initial one, we want to use the pressure cook. So for this test run, so you select pressure cook. And then here you can see it's 10 minutes. You can adjust here, let's say to 5 minutes. This is per the instruction for the this test run. And then you can press this keep warm. You can see it's now on. So yeah, I didn't do like, basically you can press this one off. Now you see it's off. So you don't want to keep it warm automatically. That is why you want to press this one on. And then you can put a start button. So if you don't put this start button automatically, after like 10 seconds or something, it will start working. I think it already started working, but let me see if I press start. Yeah, you see nothing happens because it's already started working. It's on. So now it is doing the job. You can see here. And it's now doing preheat. So let's see if after 5 minutes what's the status will be. So after you select the program, in 10 seconds, if you don't press anything else, it will automatically start itself. And yeah, you can see here it's green, so it started. So let's see, after 5 minutes I will update you. So now the cooker reached maximum pressure level, and then the float valve popped up like it's here. You can see this one is up. You can hear it. So it means this is the maximum pressure is reached. And now it starts the timer which we put before, which is 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes now he will cook. And then because we turn off the auto keep warm, after it's done this 5 minutes, it will start reducing the pressure slowly. So you have two options. Either you leave it naturally to release the pressure, and then you can open, so that can last up to 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Or you can use this one, like we said before. So now it's sealing. Then you can put this venting option to release it manually. You can see now also it's going bit by bit itself. So please be careful and don't put your arm there, because you get seriously hurt. So let's see what happens after it reaches near the end. So the program ended, the 5 minutes end, and it will be like 5 times end. So now, because the keep warm is not on, it's ended the program, and it will slowly release the pressure by itself. Or, like I mentioned before, if you want to use this option, let me show you that. Just to turn on this, the pressure will go. So you'll see now how it goes. You can see it's really under big pressure, and you can basically put some clothes here above, otherwise it will go all over the place. So it's not a good thing to do. So I think the best, if you are not in hurry, is just keep it so it reduces the pressure by itself, and then you can open the lid. So that's for the test drive, and now let's prepare some food. So one thing to help you to know can you open or no the lid is this release valve. So you can see now that it is still up, it's not down, and now it prevents me from opening. So even if I press this one, you can see that I cannot turn it, I cannot open, because this valve is blocking. It's like a safety feature. So it's still not down. Maybe 5 minutes passed from when our program ended, and it's still not down, because I didn't use this venting option. I just left it to release naturally. So I will show you how it looks when this valve goes down, and then you can open the lid safely. And now the security valve is down. As you can see here, it's completely down. So let me try to open now the lid. So you can see now this can go all the way to the end, and let's see now how it opens. Slowly, and you can see completely without any issues. So the water is there. I think this is very good, like to do this first initial test, and also this all like from factory it will be clean. As you can see, it's completely steam. So you can now just throw this water out and start cooking the real thing. Okay, so now we'll prepare some rice with vegetables, and when we are preparing rice, you have this thing here, it says max rice cup. Basically, you should not fill the rice more than this level here, because as you know, the rice is expanding, and you don't want to put more than this level here. We put just a bit to try, and once we turn on the electricity, this is how it will come, like the welcome message you will get. So we will return this one now, close it, and make sure this is on this ceiling level. So let's see now. We will put rice. Where is the rice option? Here, rice, and then you can set up the pressure, low, high. So depending which kind of pressure you set up, actually the mode, yeah, so basically the pressure was low. Always on the rice option the pressure is low, and then the mode you can change low, medium, high. So low is 9 minutes, medium is 12 minutes, and high is 15 minutes. So you saw it started by itself, and again this keep warm is turned on. I will turn it off, so it does not continue to work until the program is done. So now it started. It will cook for 12 minutes, and the counter will start once the pressure is on the optimal level. So until the pressure is not there, it will not start the counting. So let's see how the rice and vegetables will come. Okay, so now it came to an end, and you can see the valve is down, so it is safe to open. And you can see beautifully cooked rice in just 12 minutes. So this is also the beauty of this product, because you don't need to know like how long you should cook anything. You just press the button and don't worry anything else. It will do all the work. So that will be all for this video. Another feature is that you can put this one. So this suit is like you can put then this just like cook like this without the pressure, but that can be also used. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and let me now enjoy the food. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.